My tent is falling due to the severe storm and rain. All my tiredness is in vain. Not only my house is destroyed by the war, but also my tent. Stand with me and do not let me face all of this myself, because I am very tired. Please help me. Look, look at my tent. It's down.